Hey everyone, and today we are talking about building a healthier, happier you. We're diving deep into the power of daily habits. It's not about those crazy crash diets or grueling workout routines. It's about the small, consistent choices we make every single day that truly add up over time. Think of it like building a house, brick by brick. Each healthy habit is a brick, and over time, you build a strong, resilient foundation for a healthier life. Let's do this. First things first, let's talk about hydration. Starting your day with a big glass of water is like hitting the reset button for your body. Pro tip: keep a reusable water bottle by your bed so it's the first thing you see when you wake up. Now that you're hydrated, it's time to get moving. Even just 10 minutes of light exercise in the morning can make a world of difference. A brisk walk, some jumping jacks, or even just stretching can boost your energy levels and improve your mood. Plus, starting your day with a small win like this can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Okay, so we've taken care of our bodies. Now let's talk about our minds. In a world that's constantly on the go, taking a few minutes for mindfulness or meditation can be a game changer. Even just 5 minutes of focused breathing can help reduce stress and improve your focus. Inhale peace, exhale stress. Let's talk about food. We all know that what we eat has a huge impact on our overall health and well-being. Here's a simple tip. Focus on incorporating more whole foods into your diet. Think fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods are packed with nutrients and fiber that will keep you feeling full and energized. Your body will thank you. Life can get pretty hectic, right? That's why it's so important to have a go-to stress-busting tool in your back pocket. And guess what? You already have it. It's your breath. Taking a few deep breaths can instantly calm your nervous system and help you feel more centered. Repeat this a few times whenever you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed. Ever notice how a little bit of sunshine can instantly brighten your mood? It's not just in your head, there's real science behind it. Sunlight helps our bodies produce vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in regulating our mood, sleep, and even our immune system. This essential vitamin is often called the sunshine vitamin because our skin produces it in response to sunlight. Try to get at least 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight first thing in the morning. Open your blinds, let that natural light flood your room, and start your day on a positive note. Step outside for a few minutes, breathe in the fresh air, and feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. It's a great way to wake up your body and mind. Or even just sit by a window and soak up those rays. If you work from home, try setting up your workspace near a window to get that natural light throughout the day. It's a simple habit that can make a world of difference in how you feel throughout the day. Not only does it boost your mood, but it can also improve your focus and productivity. So, make it a point to catch some rays and let the sunshine work its magic on you. Do you ever feel like you're constantly running around like a chicken with its head cut off? It's like no matter how hard you try, there's always something else demanding your attention, pulling you in different directions and making you feel overwhelmed. That's why I'm a huge advocate for planning your day with intention. When you take the time to organize your day, you set yourself up for success. Taking a few minutes each morning to jot down your to-do list, prioritize your tasks, and set realistic goals can help you stay organized and focused. This simple habit can transform your day. Imagine starting your morning with a clear plan, knowing exactly what needs to be done and in what order. Trust me, having a plan will not only boost your productivity, but also give you a sense of control over your day. You'll find that you're able to tackle your tasks more efficiently, leaving you with more time to relax and enjoy the things you love. Conquer your goals one step at a time. Remember, it's not about doing everything at once, but about making steady progress. Each small victory builds momentum, leading you closer to your bigger dreams. As the day winds down, it's time to start thinking about getting a good night's sleep. The blue light emitted from our phones, computers, and TVs can interfere with our melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. So, try to avoid screens at least an hour before bed. Instead, create a relaxing nighttime routine that signals to your body it's time to wind down. In the hustle and bustle of everyday life, It's easy to get caught up in what we haven't done yet instead of acknowledging how far we've come. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on your accomplishments. Acknowledging your successes, no matter how big or small, can boost your self-esteem and increase your motivation. So there you have it, 10 simple yet powerful daily habits that can transform your life. Remember, you don't have to overhaul your entire routine overnight. Start small. Choose 1 or 2 habits that resonate with you and focus on incorporating them consistently. It could be as simple as drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning or taking a 5-minute walk during your lunch break. Once these small changes become second nature, you can gradually add more. Maybe you'll start meditating for a few minutes each day, or setting aside time to read a book. The key is to build on your successes and create a routine that feels manageable and rewarding. Celebrate your small wins along the way, as they are stepping stones to bigger achievements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who could use these tips. You can find the link to a free downloadable habit tracker in the description box below. This tool can help you stay on track and visualize your progress. Remember, every big journey begins with a single step. Start small, live better, and watch your life transform.